In this video, I will show how to rotate page in Canva. So guys, you need to change and resize dimensions in Canva. So we can do easily. Click on this resize. Make sure if you have the pro version. So this method will work. Click on resize and here click on custom size. We can see this is the custom size width 1080 and height 9020. So we need to make width as a 9020 and height we will make it 1080. Now click on continue. Now here is the option, you can copy and resize or you can resize this design. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can rotate your page.